A dependent man versus independent woman.
Well, you have the wrong definition of an independent woman. An independent woman is someone who earns for herself, but she also earns for others. She also earns for her family and the people that are near around her.
Do you think that if every woman was independent, then the society would function properly? No, because if everyone was independent, then no one would trust each other, no one would depend on each other, and totally everyone is relying on each other in this society. And if everyone becomes independent, then there would be no point of society. Everyone would live single. First of all, the example that I have given is the national, not just about its own self. And second thing about if the man will be dependent on that, so it will become a slave. They will not do their work for their own selves. On that, and girls have to be independent, so they will do their work for their self. Even though nowadays society, girls are not that much independent. But even though if the man will dependent on another person, so how the women will live their life?
But men should be independent too. Every person needs to be independent, because being independent means you can do work for yourself. You don't need to be wait for others. You can't.
The man is just giving the chance to women also to be. They are also dependent on the woman. That's called as the unity. In that society, firstly, everyone become.
If everyone is independent, then that would mean that no one is relying on each other and no one is giving chance to each other. To whom you will depend in this hypocrisy? Well, whom you will depend? Everyone is for their own self. Everyone is greedy. Whom you will depend? Being a man, you have to work for your own self. You have to work for your family. Whom you will depend? If being a man, you have to work for your whole generation. How you will do it? By the dependent of even dependent women is too good comparison to them.
On that note, what do you think? You can put your words in comment box.